Welcome everyone. Today we will explore how to manage notifications on the VK app. If you use VK regularly, you know that notifications can sometimes become overwhelming. By learning how to adjust them, first, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Now, tap on the Notifications section. You will see different categories such as Communities, Messenger, Friends, and others. Finally, tap on any category you want to adjust. You can easily turn off notifications for that category if you no longer want to receive them. By following these steps, you can customize your VK app notifications and reduce distractions. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.